Hi, I'm back. Now you do I and ah the exact same way you did the and and you're incorporating all four of them the same. You'll see the written materials, okay? And it should look like this on your board. Now, I've chosen to do the with you today because for some reason, seems to be the hardest of the vowels for kids to pronounce and remember, okay? So I'm going to call my assistant up, Mr. Dominic. Thank you. So this is the sound of like elephant. Can you say eh?
Eh.
Beautiful. Now sometimes kids need the reminder that they need their chin to come out, because sometimes they'll say instead of eh. And notice a, I, and are so close in sound. So if they jet their chin out, that helps them if they have problems. Dominic didn't, but a lot of kids do. Okay, so here we go. And of course we're going to do the Dominic and Sue game, which he has been beating me horribly. Okay, you ready? Okay. Oh, okay. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Let's see if I can get you on this one. Oh, there's no tricking Dominic, I'll tell you. Beautiful. Now, I want you to notice I only use two sounds. I probably wouldn't do more. Maybe if you think they could do it, you could do it, but I kind of just like to use two sounds when I'm doing this, okay? Now, Dominic, you're the teacher. I'm going to say it, and you're going to tap it, and I'm going to trick you. You ready? Ah. Guess not then, huh? All right. Eh. Oh, my goodness. Eh. Beautiful. Okay. So next, of course, you would do the cards here, left to right. And should we show them? Okay, let's do this one. This one. Beautiful. Let's do this one. Good. And since they couldn't see the last one, let's do this one. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, you beat me. There's just no beating you. So sad, huh? Okay, that's the end of the vowels. Okay, so now your child has all the vowels. Congratulations.